Your next car could be the 2021 Porsche Cayenne. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Enter the world of this exceptionally built Cayenne and connect with your passion for driving. This spacious SUV offers the power, supple agility, and intuitive feel of a sports car, as well as the all-weather capability and adventurous spirit of an intrepid off-road expert. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moonroof, power passenger seat, fog lamps, heated mirrors, power liftgate, Bluetooth connection, tire pressure monitoring system. Infuse your adventures with high performance in this thrilling Cayenne. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.